Ever
TechBy
pondered how
World.
gaming technology has transformed from a mere pastime to a whole new immersive universe? In the beginning, there was Pong. Released in 1972, it was a simple game of table tennis, but it marked the birth of the video gaming industry. It was a two-dimensional game with no characters, no story, no graphics, just two rectangles and a dot. Yet, it sparked a revolution. Fast forward to 1980, and we enter the era of arcade games. Pac-Man, Space Invaders, Donkey Kong, these games brought vivid colors and engaging gameplay to the masses, igniting an obsession that continues to this day. They were simple, yes, but the sheer joy of guiding a pixelated character through a maze or shooting down alien invaders was unparalleled. Then, in the early 90s, came the home consoles. With the release of the Super Nintendo Entertainment System and Sega Genesis, video games were no longer confined to arcades. They entered our living rooms, forever changing the way we entertain ourselves at home. From the iconic Super Mario to the fast-paced Sonic the Hedgehog, these consoles brought a new level of complexity and depth to gaming. As the millennium turned, we saw the rise of three-dimensional gaming with the PlayStation and Xbox. Now, players could explore vast, open worlds with lifelike graphics and intricate storylines. Games like Grand Theft Auto and Halo pushed the boundaries of what was possible in a video game, offering cinematic experiences that rivaled Hollywood blockbusters. In the mid-20s, we saw the advent of virtual reality or VR. With devices like the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive, gamers could now step into the game world. This technology transformed gaming from a passive activity into an active, immersive experience. And now here we are in 2023, standing on the threshold of a new era in gaming technology. With the rise of cloud gaming platforms like Google Stadia and Microsoft xCloud, we're seeing a shift from physical consoles to digital platforms. These services allow us to stream games directly from the cloud, opening up a world of possibilities for gaming on the go. To summarize, gaming technology has come a long way since the days of Pong. It's evolved from simple two-dimensional games to immersive three-dimensional worlds. With the rise of home consoles, virtual reality and cloud gaming, the future of gaming technology is bright and full of endless possibilities. In the end, one thing remains clear. The world of gaming technology is always evolving, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And as we look to the future, we can only imagine what incredible innovations await us in the world of gaming. And there you have it, a journey through the evolution of gaming technology. From Pong to cloud gaming, it's been a wild ride, but remember, this is just the beginning. The world of gaming is constantly evolving, and who knows what the future holds.